Up for auction we have a Samsung phone. It looks like it's from Bell. Let's see if I can turn this on. Okay. Comes on. So there's the front of it. I can hear that at least. It says Bell. Entering service area. So, I am phoning it. Yeah, so it doesn't work, so let's go end. So, you see it works? I'm just going to see what model this is. The model is a SPH A640 tri-mode phone. So there you go. It has a battery that works. And you have the charger. That's all you get with it. Have any questions? Email me info@currycats.com.